Hello, and welcome to Finding Hidden Revenue with Better Change Order Management. My name is Leslie Shiner, and I just want to spend a few moments with you to discuss your change order process. I'll show you how you can use a Sage product, such as Sage Timberline Office or Sage Master Builder, to create and track all aspects of change work. I want you to think about your own process for tracking change orders. Think about those jobs that got out of control and what you could have done sooner. I'll show you how using an integrated construction management product can help you manage this process and find additional revenue with change orders. In today's difficult economic times, many contractors are feeling the pinch. Margins are shrinking and pricing the job just right can be difficult. All jobs have change orders, whether it's from unforeseen circumstances, engineering mistakes, or clients who just can't make up their minds. Change orders can and should be a profit center if you track them correctly and invoice for the extra work on a timely basis. But many contractors have little to no system for change orders, having to depend on various spreadsheets because their off-the-shelf packages just don't address their needs. Let's take a look, for example, at what Sage Master Builder can do. Let's run a job summary report. We're going to start with a system here that creates and helps you accurately track estimated to actual job costs, comparing your budget, revised budget, and your costs to each other, comparing your estimated to actual costs. Now you can quickly find over budget items. Let's take a look at cabinets. You can find the items that are over budget and then look and see if that's possibly because extra work was done. It's like an early warning system to signal the changes and deliver additional revenue to you. Then we can start by creating a change order. Once you create the change order, you are in essence tracking both the increase to the budget as well as the increase to the contract, and even track the gross margin of each change order as well, because change orders should carry a gross margin that is at least equal to, or better yet, greater than the gross margin in the original proposal. Instead of manually trying to create and track change orders, you can use a system that knows how important change orders are. In just one place, you can create a change order that increases the budgeted dollars, the budgeted hours, and include any changes to the subcontracts, all changes to your own costs. But even better yet, at the same time, you can enter and track all changes to the client's costs, increasing the total contract, invoice each change order individually, or automatically update your progress billing. Let's go back into the product and take a look at a change order. Does your system have something like this? Notice here that you're tracking changes to both the budget and subcontracts, as well as changes to the prime contract. Besides tracking the dollars, you can also track the time, increases to budgeted hours, as well as increases to budgeted amounts. You can also track the changes to the prime, how much more you're going to charge your customer. Also, what about the time delay? You can track the time, the delay requested, and the delay approved fields. And also track which change orders are open or what their status is, which ones are approved. Once I approve this change order, it will update all of the reports that I need to look at. Each field on this screen has been added because Sage understands the needs of contractors. I had a client who told me once that he was convinced he earned an additional $15,000 on just one job by better tracking change orders. He discovered that by focusing on tracking change work, creating invoices for change orders earlier on the job, options, take a look and create an AR invoice, I can do this automatically from my screen. He told me that his clients appreciated this approved communication and better understood the reasons for the changes. He said, in fact, that the job ran more smoothly than any other job and that the clients were actually willing to pay for the work. No more waiting till the end of the job or having to eat all the additional costs. So now's the time to take action. This economy's tough and your processes must be as efficient and streamlined as possible. There just isn't any more room for doing extra work and not getting paid for it. The margins are just too tight. And there isn't any more room for waiting until the end of the job to do the paperwork and get paid. At a time when every source of revenue must be maximized in order to survive, the cost of doing nothing is the near certainty that you're leaving money on the table through inefficient change order management. Now is the time to invest in your own company, to streamline the change order process, to make sure you get the money you rightfully earn. So when the economy turns around, you have the right process in place, and you're ready to take advantage of the increased opportunities coming your way. I thank you for your time and interest. I want you to know that the demonstration that you viewed today is designed generically. However, the software is being used successfully in a variety of construction verticals such as residential, commercial, specialty contractors, and real estate developers. Once you reviewed this demo, an industry expert will be available to work with you for better understanding of your specific needs. Once again, thank you.